Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and we're going over the top 20 math memes from May 2020. Now, May 2020, or 2020 in general, has been one crazy year, so I hope you enjoy these memes and help get you through the rough times. Number 20 here is not so much a meme, but a great math story. This is actually a true story, more or less. I'm not sure if he exactly got the PhD there because of it, but he did solve this unsolvable problem. So George Danzig, as they pronounce it, what a man. Number 19, who would win? Well, let's be honest, it is that weird crowbar. Always wins. Most students don't get it. Tag someone who doesn't get it. Number 18, and this one is, I think, funny on multiple levels. First, you obviously have the bad math that happens here, okay? Classic of messing up, how old someone is, all right, being 18 there. Then you have the person's name, professor, which adds another level that they're trying to be intelligent, but they're really not. I don't think they're actually a professor there. And the last, but not least, little piece de resistance on there is that R. Kelly math. That just did it for me. Number 17. This is a perfect timing, even though this is an old photo, I believe, of Elon Musk there, but it's a proud teacher with their students. I like that one here. And it fits perfectly with SpaceX launching. Number 16 lines up really well, actually, with, schools today. You have Zoom, everyone's just looking at Zoom, and there's got to be some awkward moments that go on there. And it's just highlighting that. Number 15, this one, again, so many different levels here. You have the how to pass the exam, and it's taking the thing of cheating with a calculator, right, with a TI-84 or a 3000 kind of thing. But then they adapt to really just have your phone in there. And then the mashing, smashing, mixing of all the different memes at the bottom there, I think just make it so perfect. So I don't know who made this one, but I think the multiple levels there was spot on. This one, number 14, is just, just about electrons. That's not really math related, but I thought it was funny, and I got some likes there from y'all there. Number 13 is, I think, one of my favorite new meme formats. You have, I love the little dog and the powerful dog, but they're both just dogs that are cute. It's not like the other one's trying to be not cute, but basically it's talking about how, Newton invented calculus in his free time, while today, when everyone's quarantined, everyone's just focusing on sourdough bread. Number 12, and this one I think hits home, and I'm very happy that this became very popular because this was totally me growing up in school and how I did my multiplication, and seeing that so many people liked it. I mean, so many other people thought the same way, and you're not alone. So think about that. You're not alone in the way you did your math. Number 11, again, same meme format, but it does highlight the fact that when you're a kid and you're learning math, you're excited learning new things. And today, 1 + 2, you need your calculator. Another science meme here, number 10. They're getting better and better with the format with that Spider-Man giving the presentation, so I like that. Number 9. This one is up there. One of my favorite things when someone takes a simple problem and explains it in a nice, fun way, and make it so it's not so much a simple problem anymore. So I think that's a good one. Take your time, pause it if you want to read it. That's a good one there. Number 8. This is, obviously it's been around for a while. It's from 2010. But just kind of, you think you're smart. You think you tried something to avoid it, and we've all been there where you got a fart in class and, it doesn't turn out too good for you. Number 7, this boy, he has his priorities straight. Nothing's going to stop him from succeeding in learning science. Number 6, again, This happens all the time. If you ever put a number with an exclamation point right after it, every single mathematician, math fan, math whatever person is going to make a comment like this. So don't do it. Number 5, this one has 2 parts, right? It highlights the whole thing with Microsoft Word. It's not really math related, but I guess the graph. The whole thing about Microsoft Word and having issues by moving photos around, right? And the text not lining up, but it's a pie graph showing that. But the next level, which I thought was like, again, the icing on the cake here, is the breakup of the blue section. You mess up the whole document. I think that was just perfect. Number 4, this one I've heard the story around multiple times. I guess it made its rounds again. But some people just don't understand math, especially differential equations. And I'll be honest, if you're doing differential equations on an airplane, you're pretty smart. But I don't know, I'd rather watch a movie personally. Anyway, number 3, again, I'm so happy USB-C is coming out here, because really, USBs, you can never get them in the right time, or get them in right the first time. Second time, it takes the third time. Number 2. Now this one, again, not math, but it's just highlighting where people will put different things out there saying, hey, this is, what I see with my phone, see how phones really stink. Even though, I'll be honest, I have the iPhone 11, it works out pretty well. But really showing how'd you take the first pick. Number 1, but before we get to number 1, I want to highlight here a few sponsors for this video which keep this channel going. We have sweet math shirts at our store, minutemathshop.com. If you also need a tutor, check out minutemathtutor.com/tutor. And if you just need help with math lessons, go subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's at Minute Math there. All the links are either in the description down below or in our bio, depending where you're watching this. So, with that being said, we'll dive into number 1 here. And this one, I think, is the highlight of learning. See, getting good images as a teacher to help students remember things is always hard. And this one, I think, explains it very well for type 1 and type 2 error, and gives you something that you can remember. So it's not really a meme per se, but in a way it can be. But I think the best part about this, it helps you learn and really understand, and something you will always remember. Well, that is it, folks. That was the top 20 math memes of May 2020. And if you like this video, please like it, subscribe to our channel, follow us here on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and we'll keep making them for you. So you voted, you chose which ones you like the most, and we'll show you which ones make it to the top. So thank you here from Minute Math. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching.